Вечерва на МТМ телевизија. Своеглавата и ексцентричната сестра Джеки.
We want to launch a citywide campaign featuring you as the face of All Saints.
Dr. Cooper, pay attention! You need to pay attention!
Dude, what the hell?
You know I'm fine. You don't need to stay here.
This machine is a piece of shit! I'm going to begin interviewing for a pharmacist. I've already put in a call to Eddie Walzer.
Awesome!
Eddie kind of lost it when the Pillomatics came. It's not that he wasn't good at his job, but...
All right, I hear you.
Grace, open the door!
Honey.
Oh my God.
Вечерва, 21 часот и 40 минути. Сестра Джеки.